Well, in today's video, 100-pound capacity welding cart by Chicago Electric, coming in at $45 at Harbor Freight. 61316. Voila! Alright, so it's all put together. We have two holders on the sides. We have our welding holder up top that slants back with a little storage compartment back here, and possibly a plasma cutter or a secondary welder site right here, or anything else that you could use. On the back, we have two chains with a simple design for tightening and loosening. These chains are to hold your gas bottles if you have a welder that requires gas, or if you're using a plasma cutter that requires gas, or if you just have an oxylene acetylene torch. It's got two rubber wheels in the what they call them, stationary rubber wheels, so they just go forward and back. And then up front we have two pivoting coaster wheels. It says it's good for 100 pounds, but I'll be honest, I think it could probably hold a little bit more. It's made out of what looks to be 16, 18 gauge, probably 18 gauge. 16 right there, 18 here. And it seems to actually be pretty strong. It's a simple construction. All you need is a Phillips head and a pair of pliers, or you can go socket and wrench. But I'm really I wouldn't say, why did I say proud? Not proud of it, but I'm really, what's the word? Excited, surprised by how good a $45 welding cart is. This thing all day long is worth the $45, and they also go on sale all the time, so definitely pick one up. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can actually go to the website and check them out. So let me go ahead and set up the welder, get all my stuff, and we'll walk around it and see how it looks. All right, guys, well, here it is. We have the welder, we have our magnetic clamps, we have our helmet, we have our ground, we have our stinger, our crappy hammer, our power plug, no gas. But this welder and cart are going to be a great combination together. We also have our extra wire, our pads, tiger paws, and some extra tips down there, and there's plenty of room to expand. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I will leave a link in the description below to all the products you see here. Thanks for watching.